Hi guys, so tonight we go to the Fox, which is a barbecue outside. We're going to just a Tenerife barbecue outside. We have spent the day doing quite a few drinks, quite a few bit of fun stuff, which I'm sorry I haven't shown you, but we've just got on with it. We've had a few drinks, which is what we've done. But tonight we go for some food, and we're going to show you what the Fox in Los Cristianos is like. So we've got a barbecue outside. We get to taste all these burgers. They do pork belly, anything you like, and we get on the barbecue. So come with us. Ellie's just getting showered, changed, ready, as the women do, and we'll see you there. Ta-da.
Hi everyone. I'm just getting ready to go for a meal tonight. Where is it that we're going, Hayden?
We are going to a barbecue, like I've already told you, in Los Cristianos.
So we've actually never been, and I'm very excited to experience something new. I'm just putting a little bit of liquid bronzer, I think that's what you call it, on, make myself look a little bit more tanned to go with the outfit. But also, I've had to put my hair back because I've washed it and I've not got time to dry it, which you should never go out with, obviously, wet hair. But I've just slicked it back. Yeah, so I guess we'll see you there.
Guys, so we are on our way to meet my parents, where we will go to the barbecue. Are you excited, baby girl?
I'm excited, actually. I've not tried it yet.
Neither of us have. And none of us have, actually. So you will get the first review of the Fox.
I've got blisters on my...
Which do an outdoor barbecue here in Tenerife, Los Cristianos. We're currently at Costa Rica, and we will see them in Los Cristianos. Are you excited, bub?
Yes.
Oh, we're both. We're ready for it. Let's get our food on. Let's go.
Yes, you did.
Rice.
Yes, please.
Chips and salad. Chips and salad. Okay.
I don't know.
Chicken. Chicken breast.
Yeah, that's alright. You can have it. Yeah, I'll have it. I'll have to just put it up.
Ali. Comment, please.
Oh, I see. Oh. Service. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, very impressive. Very nice.
One more.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, look. Very nice.
Gracias.
Thank you. Oh.
Okay, Ellie. Right, tonight, what have you had and how do you rate it?
I've got a mic.
You got one, right.
Yeah, go on. I've had a kebab skewer.
And how do you rate it?
It was alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
What do you say on a scale of 1 to 10?
7.
7? That's not
7.
bad. Right, Jay. Right, tell them, Mike, what have you had and how do you rate it?
Ted had a chicken breast with chips on the barbecue. Ted, what do you rate it? 10. 10 out of 10.
And Jay, what have you had?
I had the cheeseburger on the barbecue with chips. 10 out of 10. Perfect. I will be back just to see Big Joe as well.
Right, Jan, what have you had and how do you rate it?
I've had a hanging skewer. I would rate it 9 out of 10. Service is a bit chaotic, but don't be put off. We'll definitely be back. Food is superb.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Jan. And Mother, what have you had? And on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate it?
I had the hanging kebab with rice and salad. Absolutely lovely. 10 out of 10. We'll definitely be back.
Fantastic. Jamie, the last one out of everyone. What did you have? And how would you rate it out of 1 to 10?
I had a hanging kebab. It was very nice. We'll definitely be back. 9 out of 10.
Okay, so I'm here with the chef here who's actually cooked our food tonight. Here he is. Nice to meet you, mate. And what's your name?
Kevin,
Kevin. So it's nice to meet Kevin. So how long have you been here, Kevin?
I was here for 6 years and then the place closed, changed hands, and I've been back now for about 5 weeks. I butchered all the meat myself.
Yep. Butcher all the meat yourself. So there you go, guys. Personally, it was absolutely incredible. And honestly, we've had the skewers and we've had the beef burgers tonight. And every single person on our table, and there's 7 of us, have all enjoyed it thoroughly.
Thank you very much. Back restaurant tonight as well.
Yeah, we've been very busy tonight. It is very busy tonight. Keep going, guys, because you've done a very good job.
Super. Thanks
Brilliant.
a lot. Cheers.
Thank
thanks
you
a
very
lot.
much, guys. Cheers. Bye. Okay, guys, so tonight we are eating in Canada Italiana, which is a lovely Italian restaurant which we have been recommended by many of our friends and family. So if we have a quick look at the special menu and the board, you can see everything that they would like to agree with us. So you get the sea bass fillet, everything, all $39.90, everything you'd like. Right, so we're going to review this place, have a nice look at it, and guys, come on with the journey. Thank you.
I'm at Lacanda in Tenerife. I've had a pepperoni pizza. It was nice. A little bit spicy, but really nice. What did you think to the food, Hayden?
So I had a tagliatelle coeur de filet, which was absolutely gorgeous. I give it 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Oh, I didn't rate mine. I'm going to rate mine probably 9 out of 10. Apart from the spiciness, everything was perfect.
Jim, what do you think tonight?
Right, pretty good, yeah. I had a tagliatelle bolognese. Rated at 9 out of 10. Lovely.
Yeah, I also had tagliatelle bolognese, and I would give it 10 out of 10. Superb. Yeah, well done.
I also had the tagliatelle bolognese and I would give 10 out of 10. The garlic cheese pizza bread is amazing.
Jason.
I had a pepperoni pizza, same as Ellie. 10 out of 10.
Is coming home. Is here and now today. This is the moment of Israel to you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't you know that it's time to get on board and keep it straight. Keep on riding.
Hi everyone, we've now come back after our night out at Dylan's and the Italian. We're unfortunately flying back tomorrow, which is never good for anyone. But unfortunately the day has to come, which I am very, very sad about. So is the rest of the family and so is Hayden. But anyway, just wanted to let you know we are back now and see you in the morning. Good morning everyone. We're outside again. Morning everyone. We are now ready, well not ready, but we've got everything packed up to go back to the UK, unfortunately. We're flying around 12 I think, and we're going to meet all the rest of the family at 8:30 in the reception of the Star Bougainville. We don't want to go, but unfortunately it has to come, and we will be back to Tenerife soon. Won't we, Hayden?
Sooner than you think.
Yes. So we're just at the airport, oh God, waiting for the family. We're going to meet them in Burger King, so we're just... So guys,
Yo!
we are back home now, aren't we, Hayden?
Yeah, rubbish.
It is rubbish, but unfortunately that's life.
It is.
That's life. We will be posting more videos soon, won't we?
Yep, cannot wait.
Doing like here, there, everywhere. Make sure you subscribe,
Like the video and turn that bell on for notifications of when we next upload.
Yes. And that's everything from us today, tonight, or whatever. Thank you so much. Bye.